Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Sam HTLFX in another video. So, you know, it's a normal thing. We didn't post for a week, but it's okay. We come back. Maybe we're gonna start only making forecast and recap video. So today it's gonna be forecast for next week. Alright? And a recap, by the way. So if you did not watch the previous video, go watch it to understand why. Alright, so let's get started. Euro USD pair. So before to get into it, so let me go to the 1 hour time frame to wait a minute to show you what I was predicting last week. So when the market was here trading here, I told you that the market's gonna trade lower to reach this area right here, then trade higher. All right, look at this. It did. It did or not? Of course it did. After trading higher for wait for 57, then trade lower, then trade higher. All right, but the market come to this level again or reprice till this level. Okay, why? Go watch the previous video. We know that I was using the daily technique, like the daily candle, using the zero point 0.5 of the daily body. Friday, of course. So I'm gonna show you the same thing here. Look at this. This is the daily. Okay. By the way, I'm not sure about this. Let me go. Wait a minute. Let me change this. Okay. Okay, the market open, new day. Okay. By the way, market open. So we need to go to the daily. Okay, to find the 0.5. 0.5. This is from here to here. That's the 0.5. Okay, wait a minute. Not here. Wait. Okay. Let me see if okay. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the market is gonna trade lower to this area. We need to reach this area level. So I don't know because market open actually. So happy trading week. Weekly open. Boom. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for using the daily 0.5 daily body candle. Okay, Friday of course. So this is the 0.5. Market need to trade here, then trade higher, or it's gonna keep trading lower. We don't know. It's a probability game. Now I'm just telling you this technique. It work. I told you here and to reach this area then trade higher, and it did by the way. So yeah, it worked. So now let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go for. Let me show you. Let me change this because on a clean chart, or let's say a naked chart. Let's go for the monthly. Okay, now we are here at the monthly chart. So as you can see here, market this month trade higher. So using seasonality. Here we have November. Where's the November? Okay, the previous November we trade higher. This we trade higher. All right. So how much pips? Look at this. Using the low, 700 pips. Okay. Let me see this. 450. By the way, 4 days, and I'm looking to trade lower because it's the same thing with the daily. Let me see, like the weekly profile. We have the Jordan swing, the Jordan swing. We know that the logic behind the market open, create the low, create the high, then the close. Okay, so that's the logic. So now the same thing with the monthly. We create the low, the open, create the low, expansion, the high, then boom, we need to close. So we need to trade lower. All right. I'm looking to sell now. All right. And look at this, overlapping with this auto block. Okay. Auto block. And look at this. So people say why the market did not trade higher. I don't think. Why? Because here, look at this. We grab this fit from here to here. Here we have the discount. Here we have the premium area. So the premium area we look to sell, and we did. We sell here. We have the displacement. We create the displacement. What does mean when we have the displacement? That the market's going to trade lower. All right. And we have fair value gap here, market respected. Look at this beautiful, beautiful monthly fair value gap, respected, and with a long wick. What does mean when we have a long wick with a displacement? Of course, we have a rejection block right here. So I think that the market's gonna, what is it? Rejection block. I think the market's gonna maybe trade higher to reach that rejection block, then boom, trade lower. All right, because me, I'm looking for this candle to close below this fair value gap. All right, we have a fair value gap right here. So I don't want to see this fair value gap change to inversion fair value gap. I want to at least to close here, right here, close here or below. I don't know. But I don't want to see this fair value gap change to inversion fair value gap, because maybe you're going to trade lower, reprice lower, and keep trading higher. I don't want to see that. All right. So that's it. By the way, here using the monthly, so we are in the big time frame. So now let me dive to the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and we have this order block, reach this order block, and rejection block. By the way, and overlapping with the breaker. Okay, where's the breaker? Very easy. This is the high, this is the low. This is the breaker. Breaker. Okay, let me go to the text, the minus sign, because by program to subprogram. All right. So now, I don't think that we're respecting the mentioned of this breaker. Look at this. We closed above the mentioned. So maybe it's gonna trade higher, you know what I mean? Because to reach that rejection block. Alright. So now going slowly, I mean diving into the lower time frame from higher time frame, we're building context, or let's say building narrative. Alright. So dive down, you're gonna understand. So same thing. All right, let me delete this breaker. Let me delete this order block, but I don't know, I don't need it. But look at this, using the fib from here to here. That day, I know where the market's gonna reverse. Look at this, -2. Market did the reverse. Okay, so now when we go, or let's say dive down to the daily time frame, we have another breaker. All right, look at this beautiful breaker right here that create the change of statement. Okay, look at this. And by the way, the market did not respect, by the way. Look at this. Boom, create a breaker, then boom, trade lower. We thought that the market's gonna, look at this, close above the Mitchell. So when the market closes above the Mitchell, we know that it's gonna keep trading lower. So it's disrespecting this. But it didn't happen. Boom, keep trading higher, respecting it. Again, boom, trade higher. So I think now the market's gonna trade lower because here did not respect this breaker mentioned. So maybe it's gonna trade lower. So if we see that the candle closed below the breaker range, maybe we're gonna trade lower, lower, and lower to take this low right here. So I'm gonna show you using the breaker technique. I made the fib. All right, this is the breaker from here to here. Where's the -2? Okay, this is market region now. Boom. Same thing using this breaker. Boom. -2, -2. So I think here it's the best area to trade lower. All right. So this is how I build my narrative to read market. So here we are on the daily. Let's dive to the 4-hour because 4-hour is so strong, ladies and gentlemen. So 4-hourly. I mean 4-hour. What I'm saying. So as you can see here, market boom trade higher. I told you that it's gonna trade to reach this area right here using the daily daily 0.5 technique. So boom, reach it and trade higher. And now we will see if it's gonna keep trading higher or not. And I think it's gonna trade higher, because this is the weekly open. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the Euro USD because it's not the same pair. This is the FX SM Honda, so I like to use this. So that's what I'm looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Beautiful. We're trading lower. Actually, look at this, the open. We have a gap right here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. 1 hour time frame. Actually, I was looking for the market. Wait a minute, I'm gonna change this to I don't want to see it here. So look at this. Market take this high, okay, then trade lower and close below this. Okay, what does mean when the market close below? We have a breaker, but look at this openware. I don't know why, but that is what it is. Actually, I was waiting the market to close below this. When the market closed below this, we have a confirmation to take a sell right here. Okay. Actually, I don't want to trade Monday. For me, I don't trade Monday, but sometimes I take scalp. But my plan is that don't trade Monday. Targeting to RR, stop loss above here, trading lower. Targeting this low right here. So people say, okay, using the daily, we have the 0.5 of the daily. We have here the 0.5. So we have a probability now. The market, maybe it's gonna trade here, reach that level, then boom, we have the breaker. It's gonna reach that level, then boom, trade lower. Why? Targeting this significant low. Where is the significant? We have this one, this one. So this significant low. It's high likely to reach. Why? Because it's an Asia range. Look at this. Where is this at the midnight? Where is the 19? Okay, 19. Yeah. Let me put this. So it's high likely to reach that level. Okay, to reach that significant low. Okay, and we have another probability. Maybe the market's gonna wait a minute. It's gonna trade lower, reach that level. Okay, same thing like this. Then it's gonna trade higher to reach that significant high. Why? Because here we have. Let me show you. Where's the 19? Okay, 19. Okay, we have another significant high, which is the Asia high. Like this. Boom. So now we don't know because trading it's based on probability. So now if this don't work, then this is gonna work. All right. That's it. That's logic. You know what I mean? Just now it depends on your plan and how you see market and how you execute. Of course, depends on the kill zone where you're gonna trade, which time zone. So yeah, that's it. So if then, that's my first probability. That's my second probability. We don't know. And the right thing is don't trade Monday. So this day, don't trade it. Just watch and read what market's gonna tell you to trade Tuesday and Thursday and Wednesday and Friday. So that's it. That's about the forecast. And of course, we did the recap right here and the forecast. All right. So I took the trade here. Yeah, I was looking to buy here. Why? Because I told you that the market's going to trade lower to reach this area that we're looking for buys. And I was waiting until this to take a buy. I took a buy right here because, I was waiting this market to align to this breaker, aligned with this breaker. I saw this market close above, so price action, I took the trade. And the second trade, I took it here, you know what I mean? London open, boom, targeting this high, so that's it. And now look at this. This is premium and this is discount, all right? So now we are at the premium area. So I'm gonna tell you why market need to trade lower. We are at the premium area. So premium, it's good to sell the market. Why? Look at this. market restart breaker, I mean that order block, and trade lower. So that's why I'm waiting to have a confirmation, or let's say, yeah, confirmation to create this breaker, all right, to close below, then boom, target this low, or maybe we're gonna touch this area, then boom, trade higher. So now I don't know, but that's the right thing. And to take a buy, I don't think that I'm gonna take a buy here. Why? Because I still at the premium area. That's the discount area. All right. So discount where you take a buys. Okay. So this is its high likely people to sell, and here you take partial, and you close your trade. All right. Use the logic, of course. So yeah, that's it. And maybe we're gonna take this low if this don't work and this works. So maybe we're gonna take this significant low. We need to take because it's an Asia low and this is the Asia high. So this it's high likely to take. All right. Of course, after if we take this, maybe we're gonna take this, and if we take this, maybe we're gonna take this. But for me, after taking this, we need to take this, of course, because it's very close to it. All right. And maybe we're gonna take this low, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, that's it. By the way, trade your plan, trade your model, and yeah, it's all about risk management and how you manage risk. 2 RR, 3 RR, it's on you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget comment, ladies and gentlemen, to keep posting. You know what I mean? And yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.